What is going on, everybody? I'm going over unusual option activities for SPAC CCIV. Okay, and it shows you all the option trades that happened in the last trading day, which was Friday, February 19, 2021. And the first two options, think or swim, default to the highest number of options that trade. So I just ignore all the rest. All the rest I just ignore. Feel free to read them if you want. And I'm just focusing on those two. And if I see something, which I clearly do because I'm doing this video, and for me, as I said, everything above $1 million, I assume the person that did this option trade knows a lot more than me. This is not about option volume or scanners or anything like that. It's about unusual option activity where people can actually trade and there's no way to hide it. There's no dark pool, sweeps, blocks, all that stuff that you hear and you pay monthly subscriptions for. People cannot hide in the option market, which is, we are now in February, so 6 months from now. Okay, we got for August expiration. This is the monthly, this is not the weekly, otherwise it would have like a plus sign, something like that. So we got for August 2021, look at this, 250 quantity and another 250 quantity, same time. So what's the trade? The trade is for August expiration. Price, quantity 250 each, 250, that's 500, for a price of 23, which is 2,300. I'm gonna show you the math in a second. What does it mean? So that person, company, hedge fund, whatever it is, they most likely, in my opinion, I'm not sure, but in my opinion, they basically bought a straddle. They bought a straddle. Okay, what does that mean? That means that they are betting that the price of CCIV by August expiration 6 months from now will be not above 50, above 50 sure, but they paid 23 bucks each. So let me do the calculation and explain what does it mean. They did 250 times 2300 because every unit is 100 options. So 23 is 2,300 times 250. So they bet 575, $500,000, let's say, that it will be above 50. I'm not done. I'm gonna tell you exactly how much. Plus another 575,000 that it will be either below 50. How much they need in order to make a profit? You take this number, the 23, okay, and you add it or subtract it to the 50. So you do 50 plus 23. So the break even on one side is 73 and 50 minus 23. Break even on the other side is 27. I highly doubt it will go to 27. Most likely it will go above 73. What does that mean? That means that if you are a CCIV hodler, by the time August comes, and this is just to break even, so you gotta understand this bet. Someone made a bet that this price will either go above 73 or below 27. And the break even is if CCIV is above 73. I don't think it will go to 27 and below. I really don't think so. Now with Lucid on board, let me show you the chart to see exactly what happened at 341. So you go here, this is the 1 minute chart, and right here is the exact 341. It's not a lot of option, basically there's not a lot of movement after that because it's the end of Friday, and I'm sure they did it because it was the end of Friday. But look at the volume, it was 20 minutes before closing, and we got tons of volume like a couple of minutes before that. Someone is knowing something, and I assume they know that it's going above 73, and 73 bucks is just to break even. Sure, I could be completely wrong and they're betting that it will go below 27 bucks the next 6 months. I highly doubt that's the case, especially now with the electric vehicle industry super hot. In my opinion, this is a bullish order, bullish order of about over $1 million that CCIV, they will start making money over 73 bucks. So I assume they think this is worth, I don't know, 80, 90, hopefully 100 bucks. Just my opinion, not a financial advice, of course. And if I bring you guys any value, subscribe to this new channel and let me show you how unusual option works. Feel free to check this trade, not a financial advice. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks. Yeah.